How to fix Blender unsupported graphics card or driver Opengl 4.3. So the method that I'm going to be showing you right now is very easy. You do not need to uninstall the Blender client itself. So all I have to do at first is to open up your Windows icon, type in Control Panel, and here go to Programs and Features. Now, you do not need to uninstall your Blender software. All I have to do is to uninstall all the Microsoft Visual C++. So all of this, you just have to uninstall all of the Microsoft Visual C++. Once you've done that, all you have to do is to open up your browser and then just simply type in Microsoft Visual C++ AIO, and then just choose on the very first result. It will redirect you to Tech Power Up, then just simply download it again. So this is just a reinstallation of the Microsoft C++. All I have to do is to run this software, all of it, and then just simply rerun or reopen your Blender software. And that's how you fix Blender unsupported graphics card or driver OpenGL 4.3.